So namaste everyone. So if you have come over this video, then you might be wondering how we can connect our Coolify with the GitHub. That means whenever we talk about the Coolify, we use it for hosting projects, right? But how to host project from the GitHub then? So for that one, the first step that we must have to do is we have to add GitHub into our Coolify. So for that one, you have to go to the sources, which can be found in the left sidebar. After clicking on that sources, you will see an add button over there. After that, click on that add button. It will give you a dialog box to enter the name. That is mandatory. So I will use here full. So that's all. Now after entering the name, I will click on continue. No need to do anything. Just enter the name only. So continue. So after clicking on continue, it will give you some webhook endpoint. Now from that one, I will click on register. You could click on continue and go with different kind of options, but as we are going to the beginning phase only, we will register directly. After clicking on register now, then it will redirect you to the GitHub. And if you have done it for the first time, you might be asked the password so that the GitHub can give permission to the Qualify. Now, after that, just enter a name over there. Remember that if you enter just only one name, it won't work. So that's why you have to enter two different word with a hyphen at the middle. So I will add cool Manoj. And after that, just click on this button below that. It will take some time. Name is already taken. So I will do it full void. After clicking on that button, now it's also already full. So will it work? So yes. So after giving that name, you have remember that you have to give a unique name over there. So try different kind of names and it might work for you. Now after that, it will tell you to install some repositories into the GitHub. That is, we have to bring the code from the GitHub into our Qualify for hosting. So that's why now we have to choose which repo should we bring from GitHub into the Coolify. So for that one, let us click on install repositories on GitHub. Now after doing that, it will ask you to whether to give permission to all the repositories or to some selected repositories only. Now if you want all the GitHub repositories to be accessed through the Coolify, then you can click on all repositories. But if you want the selected repo only that could be accessed from Coolify, then you can click on one select repository and you can click the names like one, or it might be another two, so it might be another three, so similar like this. Now, for now, I will click on all repo and click on install. So after you have clicked on install, then your work is done. Your GitHub is connected to the Coolify. You can start to access your GitHub project from Coolify and host it directly into your VPS. Thank you for today. I hope you are getting things, and in next video we are going to see how we can deploy the project like Next.js project into our Coolify VPS through the GitHub.